Hi friends, so I'm going to show you how to make sure that all of your links in your planner work. So when you purchase our planner, we have a ton of different links inside, and when you want to get to any part of your planner, you just tap and you'll be sent right there, just like how I'm doing right now. But I get a lot of messages of saying like, oh, my links aren't working, like why are my links working? Nothing is working. And when you're using the GoodNotes app, you need to make sure that a specific tool is toggled off and on depending on what you're going to do. So if you want to jump through your links, how I am right now, this little tool up here should look like this. There should be a circle around the pen. That means that your pen tool is off, so you can't write. You won't be able to write anything on here. But once you click it on, now your pen tool is on and you can just write and do anything you need. You can use text, you can do all those things, right? So if your planner isn't working, say that you're just wanting to write and nothing is going right, you just keep tapping on links, or you're done writing and you want to click through things, you can't just we can't just write, oopsie, you can't just write and then click on a tab. It's not going to work. That's not how the PDF is formatted. So if you want to write, make sure your pen tool is toggled on. If you're done writing and you want to jump through your planner, make sure it's toggled off, and now you can jump through everything. I hope this helps you. If you have any other questions, please let me know.